How to download non-copyright songs with Chrome on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download non-copyright songs using Chrome on your phone, which is perfect for YouTube videos, vlogs, and edits. And there you don't have to worry about the copyright issues. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the search bar and simply type royalty-free music download sites. Or you can simply go directly to the safe sites like YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music, Free Music Archive, or Bin Sounds. These are some of the list which provides free music options. So there you can simply go through any website and there you can browse through the library and pick the track you like and make sure it's listed as free to use or no copyright. And here once you have found the music that you like, then you can just tap on the download button beside it, and after that Chrome will directly download this song to your download folders. So once downloaded, you can use this song in your video editor and set it as background music for your content. But here always double check the license because some songs are free for personal use but may require credit if you use them in YouTube video or commercial project. And that's it. That's how you can download non-copyright songs with Chrome on your phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.